Hi loves, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. Today I'm gonna share with you my DIY leave-in conditioner. Now this is not just any DIY leave-in conditioner. This is for extremely dry hair, and I have been using this exact same concoction all these years. For over 6 years I have been using this exact same concoction. So I just hope that this help you combat your dry hair. So let me go ahead and show you guys the recipe. Let's go. So for this recipe you're going to need a spray bottle, vegetable glycerin, rose water, oil of choice. I have here jojoba oil and castor oil. Also, you're going to need water. I have filtered water in here, so you're gonna need some water. And I also have this applicator bottle. Now this is optional. The only reason why I have this here is because it has the measurement on the side. But if you have a spray bottle that already have the measurement, you don't really have to also have this, you know. But yeah, that's all you're gonna need for this. So I'm gonna open this applicator bottle. Now for this recipe you really don't have to measure everything. Like I remember when I first started doing this, I never measured it. I just kind of poured it and just kind of gauged with my eye to see what measurements, you know, I wanted to use for that week. You know, some worked better than others depending on how much vegetable glycerin, how much water. But I found that adding maybe with every 2 ounces of vegetable glycerin, adding about 5 ounces of water works pretty good whenever you're experiencing really dry hair. But of course, you can mess around with the measurement and see what measurements work better for your hair. So I'm gonna pour in here about 2 ounces of vegetable glycerin. Jojoba oil in there. You can add as much oil as you want. So for the rose water, you can add as much as you want to. I'm gonna add about 1 ounce of the rose water. So now here it is. This is what it looks like. So this is the mixture right here. Whenever you leave it, the oil separates to the top. So whenever you're ready to use it, you can just shake it up and use it. You don't have to put this in the fridge. You can just store it wherever you store your other natural hair products. And so yeah, I'm so excited that I got to share with you guys this recipe that I have been using for years that has really helped me retain the moisture in my hair, especially when my hair is going through like really bad dryness. I will whip this and use it in my hair, and it sure works every single time. So if you find this mixture is too heavy for your hair, you can reduce the amount of vegetable glycerin that you put in there. And yeah, so give it a try and let me know whether or not it works for your hair. So I hope that this video was helpful and useful to you in retaining the moisture in your hair. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.